Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to go over WordPress menus. After you create all of your pages, you need to set up your navigation menus. Menus are typically found up here at the top, sometimes on the left side, and sometimes there's a separate menu in the footer. When you first install WordPress, you might have a home page and a sample page up here for your menu. And as you create pages, maybe it'll add all of your pages to the menu or not enough pages. Either way, you need to set up your menus so you can choose the pages you want to display and how to display them. So log into your account, and from the dashboard, look over at the left sidebar, and under Appearance, you should see Menus. Click on Menus and your screen probably looks like this. First thing you want to do is create a menu. So type in your menu name where it says enter menu name here, and you can name it anything you want. This is going to be my main menu, so I'll just name it main menu. Then hit create menu, and you can see that the menu you just created is now listed in this tab up here at the top. And you also have some more options over here on the left available. So look down here, and you should see all of your published pages. Check the boxes next to all the pages you want to add to this menu. I'm going to check all of them, and then click Add to Menu right here. That adds them to the menu, but they're not in the order I want, so what I have to do is drag and drop them into the order I want. So I'll move them around a little bit, and this subpage, I want it to be a subpage. I want it to be displayed under Services. So all I have to do is put it directly under Services and slide it over to the right just a little bit. Now it's a subpage under Services. So if you see this indentation, that means it's a sub-menu item under whatever item it's beneath. So if I wanted to create another subpage under Services, I could just move this over. And now both pages are drop-downs under Services. So if I move About over a little more to the right, then it becomes a subpage under my page called Subpage. But that's not what I want to do, so I'll just move it back all the way to the left. And now if you notice, there's no home page on my menu. That's because in my theme, it's created separately. It's not an actual WordPress page. But I definitely want a home page button on my navigation menu. So what I have to do is go over here to Custom Links and type in the URL you want to use. I want to use my home page, which is alphaonlineresources.com. So I type it in, then I enter the label I want to use. I want it to say home, so I'll just type in home, then hit add to menu. And I also want it to be on the far left of my navigation menu, so I'm going to drag it to the top of the menu. The top is the left. Now, I realize that subpage is a stupid name for that page, and I want to change it to something different. So all I have to do is click on the arrow in the top right, and that gives me the option to change the label. So I'll change it to SEO Services. Now, when you have it set up the way you want, just hit Save Menu. And over here on the left, it shows me that my theme supports 3 menus. Your theme might be different, so it depends on what theme you have installed for your website. Regardless of what theme you have to assign your menu to a location. So I want to make this my primary menu, so I just select Main Menu from the drop-down, and I hit Save. Now let's go look at the site and see what it looks like. Looks like the menu worked, and if I hover over Services, you can see the subpage, and make sure all the links work properly and that they're displayed on all the pages. And if everything works, then you're done. That's how you set up your menu. If you want to create a new menu to use in the footer, just click on the plus tab at the top, and you go through the same process to add the pages. Give it a name, assign that menu to the footer location, and then that menu is going to be displayed in the footer. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.